Just gonna show you around the building today. Come with me. This is the breakout area. It's a great hangout spot for residents. You have games like table tennis, foosball, and you have darts just around the corner there. It's a very popular place to hang out among the students. For the time being, just gonna show you the next room. Hello again, welcome to the cinema room. This area is very popular among students who love to enjoy their movies as well as practice their unit presentations. And this is the Communal Kitchen, a great place for students to hang out, cook together and eat together. It's almost our little community hall as well. And this is the study room. It's a great quiet place to study if you're trying to take some time away from being in your room. And finally, this is the gym. It's open 24 hours and it's got all the equipment you need to get a great workout in. Welcome to the studio. You have a lovely kitchen area, a great study space, and also you have a massive double bed with storage underneath. You also have your own ensuite. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is our reception area. It's open 24/7. If it's not myself on reception, you have a security team there ready to help you. Thank you guys for coming. We'll see you very soon.